Hello everyone and welcome to our Python object-oriented programming tutorial series. In this first video, we will provide an introduction to object-oriented programming and explain its importance in Python programming. So let's get started. Object-oriented programming, or OOP for short, is a programming paradigm that allows us to organize our code into reusable objects. It provides a way to structure and design our programs based on real-world concepts and relationships. Core concepts of OOP. There are four core concepts in OOP. Those are classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay? Classes and objects. A class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that objects of that class will have. Objects, on the other hand, are instances of a class. They are created based on the class definition and can have their own unique values for the class properties. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. It enables code reuse and promotes the concept of hierarchical relationships between classes. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It allows us to write more flexible and adaptable code by using the same interface for different objects. Benefits of OOP. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of using OOP in Python? Well, there are several advantages. OOP promotes code reusability, making it easier to maintain and update our code. It also enhances code organization, making it more structured and easier to understand. OOP allows for better collaboration among developers and encourage the use of modular and scalable code. Finally, that concludes our introduction to object-oriented programming in Python. In the next video, we will dive deeper into classes and objects. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Happy coding!